Good day, folks. My name is Sean, and this is Air Photography. Today we are going to be unboxing the iPad mini. This is the 6th generation. This was launched alongside the iPhone 13 and became available yesterday for purchase, for delivery, or for pickup in store if you pre-ordered it. And I'm pretty excited about this. This is an iPad that I've been waiting for quite some time. It's quite powerful because it has the A15 Bionic chip, the same one that's in the iPhone 13. Now I do believe it's clocked down a little bit, but still nice and powerful. New 5-core GPU for graphics. Supposedly the graphics are 80% faster. And it now has a USB-C port. So as a video editor, many of you know that I'm a complete mobile content creator. That means I film everything on an iPhone. In fact, I'm filming on the new iPhone 13 right now up above me. And then I edit all my content, drone videos, YouTube videos. I do some work with clients. I edit everything on an iPad Pro, my iPhone, or now I'll be also editing on an iPad mini. The minis are nice and small, so it makes it perfect for travel. If I'm going to be away and I need to do some editing, I don't have to bring the larger 12.9-inch iPad. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. We also have the new Smart Folio we're going to take a look at. So that's enough rambling. Let's get into it here and we'll take a look at it. And it's kind of funny, Apple changed the packaging of the iPhone 13 to no longer have this plastic wrap on it, part of their goal to have no plastic in their packaging. But yet the iPad mini still has it. I'm surprised I didn't switch it up as well. So there we go there. You can see it's wrapped up. So let's go ahead and we'll pull it out. So we'll just set the iPad aside for a minute here, and we'll see what else comes in the box. As you can see, we have all our documentation here, Apple stickers, standard stuff. We have a USB-C to USB-C charging and data cable. And they actually still include a charger in the box. This is a 20-watt charger, so that's kind of nice that they still include that. The iPhones no longer come with a charger. And that's basically it. So we'll take a closer look at the iPad here. So it now has that same design as the iPad Pros, the flat edge, as you can see there. And it's got a much smaller bezel. This top button also has the fingerprint sensor in it. So we'll go ahead and we'll set that up here in a minute. Now, a couple other basic specs here for you before we get too far into this video. The new iPad mini 6 now supports 5G. It's available in 4 different colors. It has a new 12 megapixel camera on both the front and back. It also supports center stage, so that's where the camera will follow you around when you're FaceTiming, and some other applications can make use of that as well. As mentioned, it now has a USB-C port instead of Lightning, so that's a huge upgrade. So definitely a lot of new improvements. Now, unfortunately, the nit brightness of this is still only at 500. So that's the same as the iPad mini 5. They haven't increased it at all. That is a little disappointing because I do use my iPad mini to fly drones sometimes. And a brighter screen definitely would have been nice for flying on sunny days. Now, before we fire it up, let's go ahead and we'll take a look at the Smart Folio. I really like these Smart Folios. I have them for my iPad Pro and my iPad Air 4. I just really like them. They don't offer a huge amount of protection by any means, but you know, they help protect the screen when you're setting it down, and just a nice little stand on it. They're a little pricey for what they are, I guess, but that's, you know, typical for Apple. There's always that Apple tax in there. It's very tiny compared to the one I'm used to for the iPad Pro. And if you're not aware of these, they just lay in there and they connect magnetically. Just like that there. When you want to use it, you just fold that around the back. You can also fold it up like a triangle there and use it as a stand. Now, of course, the other big upgrade of it is that it now has support for the Apple Pencil 2, and it just connects magnetically to the side there. So that's actually going to be quite nice, and it'll make it nice for editing in something like LumaFusion. Let's go ahead here. We'll get it powered on and we'll get it set up. Now, I'm just going to set this up as a new iPad. I'm not going to transfer anything over from my old one. So select English, Canada, and I'm going to go to Setup Manually, connect to our network. So it's just going to activate the iPad now. This can take sometimes a few minutes depending on how busy the Apple servers are. So now we're going to set up our Touch ID, and it's the same as the old iPhones. You just place your finger on it repeatedly. Now there we go, we've added our fingerprint, so we'll just keep continuing here. And at this point you can add another fingerprint, you know, if you're going to be holding it in landscape. So that's what I'll do now. So we've added our fingerprint. Now we're going to create a passcode. I just like to have a 4-digit passcode. I don't really keep anything super important on here. And we will say don't transfer any apps or data because I'm going to set it up as a new one. Put in my Apple ID. So there we go. We're all set up. All we have to do to pair the Apple Pencil 2 is just connect it magnetically there. and you'll see in a minute there that it's going to pair, just giving us some information about it. And that's it. Now I just have the one Apple Pencil. I'll be using this for all my iPads, the iPad Pro, my iPad Air 4, and now the Mini. You can see here it's already preloaded with iOS 15, so it has the widgets as you can see there at the top. So now all I have to do is go through and customize it. I'll probably be deleting half the apps that are pre-installed on here. I don't really use it for browsing or anything. Mainly it's going to be used for flying drones, editing videos, and doing demonstrations and stuff. And I really like the size of this. I might actually be using this quite a bit for editing. Now, as mentioned, I will be using this as a screen to fly drones from time to time when I need a bigger screen to kind of get more precision of what I'm filming. And we'll just see how it fits in there. I have this extender that I used with my iPad Mini 5. So we're going to check to see if it fits the iPad Mini 6. Or Generation 6, I should say. We'll remove it from the case. And yeah, as you can see, it still fits in there perfectly. So that's basically it, just a quick unboxing. Now, if you are interested in the iPad Mini Generation 6, because you want to use it to fly your drones, I'm going to be doing a test flight with it, perhaps later today. It's raining out right now, so we'll see how that goes. If not, it'll be tomorrow or Monday. And I'll kind of report back what the user experience is like and how well it works with the DJI Fly app and drones such as the DJI Air 2S and the DJI Mini 2. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next one.